Welcome back to Dancing in the Kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a mushroom risotto. And I'm going to teach you a romantic rumba. Too much? These are the ingredients for today's dish. Mushrooms. We got different types of mushrooms. We got shiitake, we got oysters, we got cremini, which are basically mini portobellos. You could use white button mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, wild mushrooms, whatever mushrooms you can find. Chicken stock. I made this chicken stock. This is homemade chicken stock. This is the good stuff. It's easy to make. If you'd like me to make a video on this chicken stock, leave a comment down below. Butter. Parmesan Reggiano, real stuff. Italian parsley, you could use any kind of parsley you like. Garlic, thyme, shallots, salt and pepper, and of course rice. This is arborio rice. It's a short grain rice with high starch content. You could use any other high starch rice. Don't wash it, don't clean it. We're gonna need that starch. Today we're featuring a wine from Adomo Estates. This is their 2017 Cabernet Franc. As you can see, it's got a nice, beautiful dark red color. It's been aged for 16 months in French oak. It's very fruity. You can smell raspberry, blackberry, hint of raisin, some cherry as well. We're going to actually add this wine to our dish today. So let's get cooking. We're going to add some of these mushrooms to the stock to give a nice mushroomy flavor. This is optional. Again, you don't have to use chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock. You can use water. But with the mushrooms, the chicken stock is delicious. Heat the oil and butter and add the shallots and cook until translucent. Then add the garlic, thyme, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, this is ready now for the rice. So, we're gonna add all the rice in. And while that is cooking, I'm gonna add some of the mushrooms. After a few minutes, when the rice has gotten some color, you can see that it's starting to stick to the bottom of the pan. You're going to deglaze it with our wine. The wine's going to give it a nice rich flavor, also some color. Now, once the rice has absorbed the wine, you're going to take some of the stock, very important that the whole time you're making this dish, you're stirring. So all the rice absorbs all the stock. Turn off the heat. Now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to finish it off with some Italian parsley. Sprinkle that on top. Rumba is a dance of love. It's the most romantic and the slowest of the Latin dances. It's a dance from Cuba. I'm going to teach you the basic step. We're going to start with the weight on the left foot. We're going to go right foot to the side, left foot forward. Replace weight back to the right foot, left foot to the side. Right foot back, replace weight back to the left foot. And repeat from the beginning. Right foot to the side, left foot forward, right foot back, left foot to the side. Right foot back, replace, and back to the beginning. Now the count. We're going to step right foot to the side on 4, and we're going to hold the beat 1. You're going to step forward 2, replace 3, your weight back to the right foot, and again step to the side 4, hold the beat 1. Back on 2, place the weight on 3, 4, hold 1. 2, 3, 4, hold 1. 2, 3, 4, hold 1. You can also count this as slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's try it with music. Wasn't that fun? I think we deserve some wine. Cheers. All right, let's plate this dish. We're gonna take our beautiful creamy risotto with mushrooms. Put that in the middle. We're gonna add some pepper. Middle. Some extra virgin olive oil on top. And we're going to finish it with some summer black truffles. This is optional, but I think it's going to go great with this dish. There we have it, mushroom risotto. See you next time.